In every man's life, he goes through what I call a process. Some call it trial times, hardship, vicissitudes of life. The difficulties we go through in life are not meant to kill us. Neither it is meant to destroy us. Joseph in the Bible went to prison and later became the prime minister of Egypt. Late and ex-president Nelson Mandela went to prison and later became the president of South Africa. In this life, one thing that you have to understand is that guilt and authentic path may take longer, but its moves and impacts are forever legendary. God has not forgotten you in your situation. He will surely see you through. Don't give up. God bless you. Subscribe to the channel.